they say? Cinnamon? No? Oh, you do? Okay. Good job. Okay. A little icky. So, these guys.
Okay.
First cool thing about them, their mouths are full of tails to help them survive. Australian bearded dragon. So bearded dragons actually get their
Okay, here. Look, 1, 2, 3, lame. Oh my god.
teach these guys how to do tricks.
Okay, can you get